Good morning, children. Children, in my previous video, I have explained you nouns and then nouns common and proper. Now, in this video, I will explain you noun singular and plural. Children, first we should revise what is a noun. So, a noun is a naming word, or you can say a noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. So, it has different parts, children. So, here we will learn singular and plural. So children, when you were in class 1 or 2, you might have learned one and more than one. So it is the same thing, children. One means singular and more than one means plural. So you all have learned boy, boys, girl, girls, pen, pens, pencil, pencils. In the same way, here also we are going to learn the same thing. Singular means one and plural means more than one. So let's start. Like here I have taken easy examples first. Singular means one, so we will learn only one bird, one book, one cat, one dog and one pen. But we have to change into plural also. Plural means more than one, like bird, birds, book, books, cat, cats, dog, dogs, pen, pens. In the same way, children, okay, once again I want to show you this slides. When we were learning bird, book and cat, all this, we have only added s here to make them plural, but there are many other words where we have to use es to make them plural, like bus, buses. See, the spelling of bus is bus, but to make it plural we have to add es. So buses. Fox, F-O-X. Fox, the plural of fox is foxes, F-O-X-E-S. In the same way, bush, bushes. Box, boxes. Peach, peaches. Brush, brushes. Let's see a few more examples. Children, you all have learned what is vowel and what is consonant. So, A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest of the alphabets are consonant. So, there are many words where the last letter is vowel, that is Y, and before it is consonant, like it's written here, consonant then Y, like L is consonant and then Y is vowel. But children, Y is not vowel, but when we say fly, okay, the sound of vowel is coming, fly, baby, I, okay, cherry, bunny, the sound of I is coming. But here what I am trying to explain you, that when there is consonant and Y, then we have to remove Y and we have to write IES. Like fly, flies, baby, babies, cherry, cherries, bunny, bunnies. What we have done here? We have removed Y and added IES to make these words plural. In the same way, when there is vowel and then Y, then we have to write only S. So keep this in your mind, children. When there is consonant and then Y, we will remove Y and write IES. But when there is vowel and then Y, then we have to add only S. Like monkey, monkeys, donkey, donkeys, boy, boys, key, keys. Now there are few irregular examples also, like nouns that don't follow the rules, like we were learning boy, boys, girl, girls, box, boxes. But there are few examples where you don't have to follow the rules, but you have to learn it. Like person, when we talk about one person we write person, but when we talk about many persons then we write people. In the same way, children, the plural of deer is deer only. Singular and plural is same. In the same way, sheep also, SHEEP, sheep will be sheep only. Tooth will change into teeth. Foot will change into feet. Child will change into children. There are many other examples like this. So now let's start the chapter. Chapter 7, nouns, that's singular and plural. Singular and plural nouns. Look at these pictures. So children, we can see here one chair. What is the plural of one chair? Chairs. Tree, trees. Watch, watches. Bus, buses. So here we have seen in chair and tree, we only had to use s to make it plural. But in watch and bus, we had to add es to make them plural. The nouns chair and tree stand for only one thing. The nouns chairs and trees stand for more than one thing. So singular means one and plural means more than one. Similarly, when we say watch or bus, it means only one watch or one bus. But when we say watches or buses, it means more than one watch or more than one bus. So, the nouns chair, tree, watch and bus are said to be in singular number. Singular suggests one, singular means one, children. In the same way, the nouns chairs, trees, watches and buses are said to be in the plural number. Plural suggests more than one. So it can be 2, 3 or many more. So you have to learn this box, children. It is very important. A noun standing for one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the singular number, and a noun standing for more than one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the plural number. Now formation of plurals. How to change from singular to plural. So let's see. Only you have to add s here, children. See here, add s. Ball, balls. Pen, pens. Eye, eyes. House, houses. Window, windows. Road, roads. Wall, walls. Teacher, teachers. Now some nouns that end in a hissing sound. Okay, so nouns ending in like s, double s, sh, ch or x. So here we have to add es. Fine. So let's like see, bus. So sound is coming. So buses, class, classes, brush, brushes, bench, benches, box, boxes, walks, foxes. So here we have seen where we have got s, double s, sh, ch or x, we have added es. Now some nouns that end in o, we have to add es there, like mango, mangoes, hero, heroes, potato, potatoes, mosquito, mosquitoes. And children, some nouns that end in f or fe, there we have to use ves. Children, you have to learn these things. Okay, nouns that end in o, you have to use es. Noun that ends with f or fe, you have to use ves. Like knife, knives. See, we have to remove fe and we have to add ves. Like leaf, leaves. Thief, thieves. Wife, wives. Now when there is consonant and y, just now I have explained you in the previous slide, when there is consonant and y, then we have to remove y and write ies. Like baby, babies. City, cities. Fairy, fairies. Story, stories. Army, armies. Cherry, cherries. Children, and see here now vowel plus y. When you will get vowel and y, then you have to only add s. You don't have to do anything. Like boy, boys. Key, keys. Toy, toys. Monkey, monkeys. Here I want to tell you one thing. This is story, S-T-O-R-Y. We have written stories, S-T-O-R-I-E-S. Why? Because there was consonant and then y. But there is one more story, S-T-O-R-E-Y. We have heard about multi-story buildings. So S-T-O-R-E-Y. We can see vowel is there and then y. Okay, E is vowel and then y. Then there we will add only S. Stories. Now we learn these singular plural forms also, children. See, here you don't have to use s, es or ves like that. Man, men. Woman, women. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Tooth, teeth. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. So that you have to learn. Now here what you have to do, you have to underline the nouns in the following sentences and write them in proper columns. So children, columns are in the next slide because it was not possible to use both the slides here only. You would not able to see properly. So let's underline the nouns first and then we will write in the next slide. We have to write singular and plural. Like he forgot the keys of the car in the office. So children, we can see keys, it is plural. So underline it. Car and office, they are in singulars. Here we will underline the nouns only, children. Fine. And then we will distribute it in singular and plural form in the next slide. Some children, children it's plural, from an African country. Country is a singular noun. It is one country, we are talking about one country, visited our school today, one school. We should brush our teeth for 3 minutes. So teeth and minutes, they are plural. Many mangoes were growing on the tree. Mangoes is plural and tree is singular. Some Indian cities are very crowded. Cities, children, it is plural. The fox was fond of eating cherries. So you will underline fox and cherries because they are noun. These houses are 4 stories. Children, just now I was telling about stories. See vowel and y. So we have used only s here. So please underline houses and stories. They are plural also and noun also. The knives I brought from the market were not sharp. So nouns are knives and market. Children, we have already learned nouns in chapter 5. So I am not explaining again that what are these things. Name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay. The farmer bought a pair of oxen to plow his fields. So farmer is the name of a person, oxen is the name of an animal, and fields is the name of a place. The washermen were washing clothes at the well. So washermen, clothes and well, they are noun. Now come to the next slide. Here you have to write one and more than one. So children, I will read the sentences. From there you will get idea, or if you have your book, you can keep it in front of you, this exercise. Okay, number 1 is already done for you. He forgot the keys of the car in the office. So car and office are one and more than one is keys. Number 2 is some children from an African country visited a school today. So country and school, they are one and children are more than one. Child, children. We should brush our teeth for 3 minutes. So children, there is no singular noun here. So just cross it. Teeth and minutes will go in plural noun. Many mangoes were growing on the tree. So tree is a singular and mangoes plural. Some Indian cities are very crowded. So no singular noun is here, but city is plural noun. The fox was fond of eating cherries. So fox will go in singular noun and cherries will go in plural noun. These houses are 4 stories each. So again houses and stories will go in plural, but there is no singular noun here. The knives I brought from the market were not sharp. So market will go in singular and knives will go in plural. The farmer bought a pair of oxen to plow his field. So farmer will go in singular and oxen and fields will go in plural. The washermen were washing clothes at the well. So well will go in singular and washerman and clothes will go in plural. So let's do one more exercise now. Write the plural of these nouns. Few are very easy and few you have to learn and write. Like office, offices. Friend, friends. Flower, flowers. Giraffe, giraffes. Glass, glasses. See children, so sound is coming, his sound. So we have added es. In the same way, dress, dresses. Wish, again sh, wishes. Dish, dishes. Hero, o is coming. So we have to add es of heroes. Tomato, again o is there, tomatoes. Now consonant plus y, children. So diaries, ies, you have to remove y and write ies. Again this consonant plus y. So country, countries. Now loaf and wolf, children, f is there, so remove f and write ves. Loaf, loaves. Wolf, wolves. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. This you have to learn, children. Ox, oxen, and foot, feet. Now fill in the blanks by using either the singular or the plural form of the nouns given in the brackets. So we can see, children, few words are given in the brackets, but you have to read the sentences carefully and you have to think, you have to decide whether you have to write it in singular form or the plural form. So let's see. This hotel serves a variety of, when we are talking about variety means many, so variety of delicious dishes, okay, delicious dishes. Dash was flying a dash. So when we are writing was, so it is showing singular form. So the child was flying a. Again a is showing singular form, so a kite. So you have to take care, children. You have to read the sentence carefully. Brush your dad twice every day. So we don't have a single tooth, we have teeth. So brush your teeth. Nitin is not wearing shoes. His dance have become dirty. So children, we have 2 foot and 2 foot is known as feet. So his feet have become dirty, because if you are going outside without your shoes, so obviously both your feet will get dirty, not a single one. All the dads should play for at least 1 hour every day. So children, it is written all, so plural will go child, children. Two dads were guarding the main dash of the building. So two, when we are saying two, then policemen will go, and main, we are talking about one gate. So two policemen were guarding the main gate of the building. Because main gate is one, we are not talking about many gates. I bought one, so one loaf will go. I bought one loaf of bread and two peaches. Das are kinds of insects, children. So it is written are. So plural will go. Flies are kinds of insects, and das are types of flies. So again are is written. So mosquitoes. So children, it is very easy chapter if you have learned one and more than one, and if you have learned the rules, like if it is O you have to use ES, if it is F you have to use VES. If you have learned all these rules, it is very easy for you to do this. So children, I hope you have understood what is singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means one, more than one. So that's all for today, children. Thank you.